Five things to know about Social Security COLA in 2026. Prerna Benefit TV. Your Social Security check is going up, but it still feels like less money here. Why? And the five updates you must know. COLA is not what you think. Let's start with a surprising truth. The Social Security Cost of Living Adjustment, also called COLA, is based on inflation, but not the number you usually hear in the news. Most headlines talk about inflation using the CPIU, which tracks prices for nearly all urban consumers, but Social Security uses a different measure called CPIW. This index focuses mainly on households where income comes from hourly or clerical jobs. That means it represents a smaller portion of the population and can sometimes show lower inflation than what retire actually experience. So even though your benefits are increasing each year, the adjustment may not fully match the rising cost of things like healthcare, rent, or groceries. That's one of the biggest reasons many retirees feel like their money is not stretching as far as it used to. Only 3 months decide your rate 6. Here's something most people don't know. Your entire annual COLA increase is based on just 3 months of data. Social Security only looks at inflation during July, August, and September, also known as the third quarter. They average those numbers and compare them to the same period from the previous year. The percentage difference becomes your COLA increase for the next year. For example, if inflation during those 3 months rise by 2.8% compared to the year before, your benefits increase by 2.8%. But here the catch: if inflation spikes earlier or later in the year, it does not count. That means your COLA may not fully reflect real world price increases happening outside those months. It's a simple system but not always the most accurate. Your benefit won't go down. Now for some good news. Your social security benefits will never go down because of COLA. Even if inflation drops or turns negative, or your monthly payment won't be reduced. At worst, your COLA could be zero, meaning no increase for that year. This has happened before, including in years like 2010, 2011, and 2016, when inflation did not rise enough to trigger an adjustment. While they might not feel great, it's still better than seeing your benefits cut. This rule provides a level of protection for retirees who depend heavily on Social Security income. So while COLA increase may vary from year to year, you can count on one thing: your best benefit amount is safe from reduction due to inflation change. Medicare can reduce your increase. Here the part that frustrates many retirees: your COLA increase can be partially eaten up by rising Medicare cost. Many Social Security recipients have their Medicare Part B premiums automatically deducted from their monthly benefits. So even if your benefit increase, a higher premium can reduce the actual amount you receive. For example, if your Social Security payment increased by $56 due to COLA, but your Medicare premium goes up by around $18, your real increase is only about $38. That's a big difference. So while your benefit technically grow, your take-home amount might not feel like much of a rise. This is one of the key reasons why retirees often say their COLA increase does not keep up with their actual expenses. Benefits are losing value. Finally, here the reality: Social Security benefits are slowly losing their purchasing power, even with annual COLA increases. Studies show that benefits have lost around 20% of their value since 2010. That means what $100 could buy back then now only buy about $80 worth of goods and services. Rising costs for essential like healthcare, housing, and food are outpacing COLA adjustment. Some experts suggest switching to a different inflation measure like CPIE, which focus more on seniors' spending habits. But for now, no major changes have been made, so the responsibility often falls on retirees to adjust their budget and find way to stretch their income further in retirement. Do you think cola is enough? Comment yes or no and follow for more updates that impact your money.